Hey everyone, it's Joey from the Wildwood Boardwalk Facebook page and the Wildwood Video Archive, and today I just want to show you the building a brand new ramp onto the boardwalk at Pine Avenue. It looks great so far. It looks great, right? I'm going to show you around now. I already can hear you guys joking in the background. Now, it's not made from pine or on Pine Avenue. So as you can see, there's a lot of improvements taking place on the boardwalk, especially with this ramp right here. I'm excited for the summer. Hope you guys are too. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe to our channel and hit that notification thing. It looks like a bell. That way when we put up a new video, you'll find out about it right away. Thank you for joining me on this update. Make sure you tune back for great videos. And once again, I'm Joey. Have a great day, everyone. I'll see you on the beach.